My favorite part about today is definitely leading the girls around, getting to know them, getting to know their interests, their personalities, and getting to talk to them. And I had a couple of girls tell me that I actually inspired them, and that was amazing. I'm Abigail Hillfront, and my major currently is heavy equipment technology. Women in trades is something that's very important to me. I grew up wanting to go in the trades, and it was never very easy for me. No women in the trades to look up to, and I wanted to become that person for somebody. If I can be that person, I want to, because I know what it's like to be without it.
Just because you were born this way, you can't do this and you can't do that. And it's not fair, because I can do a lot of the same things that a man can. And I can just be myself. And it's important to have that representation so other women will grow up and know that they can achieve their dream.